Welcome. If you're looking to add more categories to your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the process is even more straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear showing your profile and any pages you manage. Find the page you want to update and click on its name to enter the page. Now that you're on your page, look for the menu on the left side or just under your page's cover photo. Find and click on the About section. This is where all your page details are stored, including your categories. Scroll down until you see Categories. Right next to it, you'll notice a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on that icon to start editing your categories. A window will pop up, allowing you to add or change the categories for your page. You can start typing to search for the categories that best describe your business, brand, or community. Facebook lets you add multiple categories, so feel free to include as many as are relevant to your page. Once you've added all the categories you want, take a moment to review your choices. When you're satisfied, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. And that's it. Your Facebook page now features the new categories you've added. This helps people find your page more easily and ensures your content reaches the right audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.